Okay, it's an old belt-driven drill press. Everything's still good. That's how it goes up and down. The quill turns real easy. The Jacobs chuck turns real easy. And it goes up and down real nice. These two rollers here, there's a delay in the camera, they work just fine. There are no numbers or names anywhere on it. I would love to know who made it and when. You can see the adjustments. That bottom bolt holds the post in, mast. There's your adjustment for the deal, and it works just fine. There's your adjustment lever for the top. And again, no names, no numbers anywhere except there is a number on the bottom. But that's it. There's numbers. $57.03. I think that matches what's here. Yeah. That might be $57.02. Anyway. This is it.